Hi guys, welcome to my page. What are we cooking today? We are cooking Ogbono soup. This is my cow skin. I'm adding stockfish, yes, stockfish to it. And the next thing now, I'm going to add liver. Yes, liver. I love liver. And this is grounded crayfish that I'm adding now. Yes, and I'm adding bell pepper blended one, and this is red oil, and this is cube maggi. Yes, this is maggi. I added water. I allow it to boil for some minutes before I added this ogbono powder. Yes, that's why I'm stirring all together. I'm going to add fish. Yes, the fish from the oven. And this is a Ogbono soup. Yes, wow, this is giving. I'm going to use this to eat amala. Yes, amala. We all know amala. You can use it to eat fufu. Yes, fufu as well. Yes, as you can see, our ogbono is ready. Thank you.